Welcome back to Chambers of Knowledge, where I help you improve your medical literacy so you can understand and effectively communicate with your healthcare team. So today's video is on the physiology of leukocytes. Leukocytes are white blood cells, and they are one of the cellular components of blood. There are 5 different types of white blood cells, each with their own anatomical structure. On the channel, I have a video on each of the white blood cells discussing their anatomy. Check those out. So this video will be on the physiology or function of each of the white blood cells. As a whole, white blood cells are a functional unit of the immune system. They each react and work together to fight off harmful microorganisms or pathogens. Each leukocyte has a very specific role to play within the immune system. Neutrophils are the most plentiful leukocyte. They make up about 54 to 62% of all the white blood cells within the blood. Neutrophils are something called phagocytes. Their job is to engulf and destroy pathogens through phagocytosis, which simply means the process of swallowing or devouring cells. Eosinophils make up only 1 to 3% of all of the white blood cells within the blood. These white blood cells react to foreign particles that cause allergic reactions like asthma, eczema, and other forms of dermatitis from animal dander, pollen, dust, or other substances that cause allergic reactions. Dermatitis refers to any inflammation or inflammatory condition of the skin. This is a condition that would be looked at by a dermatologist. Eosinophils also react to parasites and immune diseases. They release chemicals designed to kill these harmful pathogens. Basophils are the least common leukocyte. They make up less than 1% of the total number of white blood cells in the blood. Basophils release a chemical compound called histamine to the site of any injury. Histamine causes vasodilation or the widening of blood vessels, which increases blood flow to the area and causes inflammation. Basophils also release a natural anticoagulant by the name of heparin. An anticoagulant is something that is against clotting. Heparin is responsible for controlling the size of clots, preventing them from perpetually growing. Monocytes are another type of white blood cell that make up 3 to 7% of the total number of leukocytes within the body. Monocytes, like neutrophils, are also phagocytes, but monocytes target cancerous cells, dead white blood cells, and cellular debris. The monocytes found within the lymph nodes, liver, pancreas, thymus, skin, bone, intestines, and spleen are known as macrophages. Now for lymphocytes. Lymphocytes make up 22 to 33% of white blood cells within the blood. There are 6 different types of lymphocytes, and each have their own responsibilities. So the next video coming out next week will be dedicated to each of the 6 lymphocytes and their responsibilities. So check that out, coming out on Wednesday coming. So if you are interested in more content that will and can improve your health literacy and make it easier for you to communicate with your healthcare team, then you have found the perfect resource. I post every Wednesday at 6, so do not miss a video. Make sure to subscribe.